Welcome to the new Health Professions building. This summer we just finished a brand new renovation which will impact about a third of our students here at the college. Today I'd like to take you through a couple of those areas. We can start with the dental clinic. Here in the dental clinic we have our state-of-the-art dental instrumentation. This particular area works with dental assisting and dental hygiene students. Combined, both of these programs have about 60 students in them per year. In the dental clinic here, we have the ability to provide wonderful services for our patients because we have updated all of our facilities to include both high technology through the use of computerized equipment as well as cameras that allow students and instructors to work side by side. The dental clinic here has the ability to provide free and reduced care to our region. This is done in two means, one by people who demonstrate need, and then in another way through our Helen M. Nicholas Clinic, which is a volunteer clinic provided here at the college. One other thing that should be pointed out in this particular area is that we have a high-fidelity simulation area that allows students to work with mannequins in a controlled environment as they're doing their education. In our health lab simulation area, we work with well over 400 nursing students. In this particular area, we've recreated a hospital room, and in this area then we can do simulated activities with mannequins that allow us to interact with them so that they can demonstrate skills and procedures before they even go into the hospital. In this setting, we have the ability to also work in a multidisciplinary approach. Besides our nursing students, we have the ability for our respiratory therapy students to come in and work with the nursing students side by side, as well as radiography, our surgical technology students, and our physical therapist assistant students. All can be working side by side, imitating a real hospital-like situation. After the renovation, we have been able to more than double the number of beds to 31. This allows us to be able to provide services for a variety of students throughout our health programs. Here we are in our physical therapy assistant lab, which works with about 40 students on an annual basis who go out into our community and work in a variety of medical facilities. And these students work with people who have sustained injuries from car accidents or other types of injuries and also diseases. They work with people to then help rehabilitate them so that they can ambulate and they can gain muscle strength so that they can resume their activities of daily living. One of the very exciting aspects of this renovation has been the addition of a surgical technology lab area. This particular area mimics an actual hospital operating room, and we've been able to recreate most of the environment with partial donations from McLaren Bay Region Hospital as well as other donations from the area. In this particular area, we have about 15 students each year who go through this program and then go into the community to provide services in all of our local healthcare agencies. In the surgical technology area, students learn a variety of procedures that will be performed in an operating room. So they learn procedures that deal with general surgery as well as orthopedic surgery, and they also deal with surgeries that deal with eyes, nose, and throat. So there's a variety of experiences that the students are exposed to, and they have the ability to work with a variety of professionals within these fields. In the diagnostic medical sonography area, we have about 28 students a year that participate in this program. A sonographer is a person who takes an ultrasound picture. Many times we equate this to the person who has just become pregnant and they do an ultrasound of the developing fetus. But beyond that, ultrasound has a variety of diagnostic uses that are utilized in the diagnosis of many diseases. With the renovation, we were able to purchase new ultrasound machines. This allows the students to work with the latest technology. This technology allows the students to do their ultrasound and diagnoses of the particular procedure and have it downloaded onto computers, which is then reviewed with the instructor and the student side by side. Finally, we have arrived at one of the unique versions of this renovation, our 3-story living wall. This wall not only adds to the beautification of the building, but is also one of our sustainability measures that was incorporated in the renovation. This particular wall serves a practical purpose by freshening the air and providing oxygen within the environment. And I'd like to thank you for visiting with us today, and I'd like to also thank all the people who have contributed to the renovation of this building, both from state funding and local donors from the region that have participated in this project. And so anytime that you're on campus, please stop by and see this wonderful building.